This video will show you how to use HFA or metered dose inhalers such as Proair, Provento, Xopenex, Ventolin, Flovent, Alvisco, QVar, Asthmanex, Dulera or Advair HFA inhalers. It's composed of a metal canister, plastic actuator, mouthpiece, cap, and a counter. To use the inhaler for the first time, you need to prime it. First step is to shake the inhaler for around 5 seconds. Open the cap. Push on top of the canister, away from your face and eyes. You need to repeat these steps for around 3 times before you can use it. For subsequent uses, make sure to open the cap and inspect for any foreign body. Check the inhaler well. Breathe out as much air as you can from your lungs, and then seal your lips around the mouthpiece. Push on top of the canister and take a nice deep breath. Hold your breath for around 10 seconds or as long as you can. Breathe out. Close the cap. You can repeat this dose after 30 seconds to 1 minute. You must prime your inhaler again after a certain period of time. Thank you.